Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English Now channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, hello.
How are you today, James?
I'm great, Anna, and I'm hungry.
You're always hungry. Well, today's episode is perfect for you then,
Why is that?
because today we're talking about restaurants. We're going to learn essential phrases for ordering food, asking questions, and making very funny mistakes.
Oh no, I know where this is going.
Yes, we're going to tell you about James's very embarrassing restaurant story. It's called The Check or the Chicken.
It was one time, Emma, one time.
But it was so funny. Don't worry, listeners. We've all made mistakes when learning a language. That's completely normal.
That's right. Mistakes help us learn, and today you learn from my mistake.
Perfect. So before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, please, and leave a comment too. We love hearing from you.
Okay, James, are you ready to tell your story?
Let's do it.
So, James, tell us, what happened?
Okay, so I was in a nice restaurant in London. A very nice restaurant.
Fancy.
Yes, very fancy. I had a delicious dinner. Pasta, salad, everything was perfect.
Sounds wonderful.
It was. After dinner, I was ready to leave. I wanted to pay, so I called the waiter.
Good. What did you say?
Well, I wanted to say, "Can I have the check, please?"
The check. C-H-E-C-K. That means the bill, the paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
Exactly. But I didn't say check.
What did you say?
I said, "Can I have the chicken, please?"
The chicken?
Yes, the chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. The bird. The food.
Oh no! What did the waiter do?
He looked so confused. He said, "Sir, you already finished your dinner. Do you want more chicken?"
This is amazing.
I was so embarrassed. My face was so red. Then I realized my mistake. I said, "No, no, no, I'm sorry. I want the check, the bill, to pay."
And then?
The waiter laughed. He was very nice. He said, "Ah, the check. No problem, sir. One moment."
See, he was kind. Everyone makes mistakes.
True, but I felt so silly.
Listeners, this is a very common mistake. Check and chicken sound similar, especially for beginners.
Very similar. So today we're going to practice restaurant phrases. Clear, simple phrases. No more chicken mistakes.
Perfect. Let's start from the beginning. You walk into a restaurant, what do you say?
Good question. First, you can say, "Hello, a table for two, please?"
Listen again. A table for two, please. This means you want a table for two people.
If you're alone, you say, "A table for one, please."
Let's practice. Repeat after James. A table for two, please.
"A table for two, please."
Great. Now the waiter takes you to your table. He gives you a menu. The menu shows all the food and drinks.
The waiter might ask, "What would you like to drink?"
Good question. You can say, "Water, please," or "Orange juice, please."
Simple. If you need more time, you say, "Can I have a few minutes, please?"
Perfect phrase. Can I have a few minutes, please? This is very polite. Let's practice. Repeat. Can I have a few minutes, please?
"Can I have a few minutes, please?"
Excellent. Okay, now you're ready to order. How do you order food?
You can say, "I'd like the pasta, please," or "I'll have the chicken, please."
The chicken?
Yes, the actual chicken, the food. Both phrases are good. "I'd like" or "I'll have."
Let's try. Repeat after me. I'd like the pasta, please.
"I'd like the pasta, please."
And I'll have the salad, please.
"I'll have the salad, please."
Good job. Now, sometimes you have questions about the food. Maybe you don't understand something on the menu.
Right. You can ask, "What is this?" or "What's in this dish?"
Great questions. What's in this dish means what ingredients are in this food.
For example, maybe you're allergic to something. You can ask, "Does this have nuts?" or "Does this have milk?"
Very important. Always ask if you have allergies. Let's practice. Does this have nuts?
Does this have nuts?
Perfect. Now, sometimes the restaurant makes a mistake. They bring you the wrong food.
Yes, this happens. What do you say?
You say very politely, "Excuse me, I didn't order this."
Listen again. Excuse me, I didn't order this. Very polite, very clear.
Then you can say, "I ordered the pasta, not the pizza."
Exactly. The waiter will fix the problem. Let's practice. Excuse me, I didn't order this. Excuse me, I didn't order this.
Great. Another useful phrase is, "Can I have more water, please?"
Or, can I have some bread, please? You can use can I have for many things.
It's a super useful phrase. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have a napkin, please? Can I have a fork, please?
Perfect examples. Let's try one more time. Can I have more water, please? Can I have more water, please?
Excellent. Okay, now the big moment. You finished eating, you want to pay. James, what do you say?
Clears throat dramatically. Can I have the check, please?
Not the chicken.
Not the chicken. The check. C-H-E-C-K.
Let's practice this very carefully. Repeat. Can I have the check, please?
Can I have the check, please?
Beautiful. In British English, people also say the bill. Can I have the bill, please?
Both are correct. Check is more American. Bill is more British. Both are fine.
Let's practice. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. Now one more important phrase. If the food was good, you can say, "Everything was delicious, thank you."
Listen again. Everything was delicious. Thank you. The waiter will be very happy.
Let's practice. Everything was delicious, thank you.
Everything was delicious. Thank you.
Great job, everyone. You're doing so well.
Okay, Emma, let's do a quick review. What are the most important phrases?
Good idea. Here they are.
A table for two, please, when you arrive.
Can I have a few minutes, please, when you need time?
I'd like the pasta, please, when you order.
What's in this dish, when you have a question?
Excuse me, I didn't order this, when there's a mistake.
Can I have more water, please, when you need something?
And the most important one, can I have the check, please, not the chicken.
Exactly. Let's do a quick role play. I'm the customer. James, you're the waiter.
Okay. Hello, welcome. What would you like to order?
I'd like the chicken, please.
The actual chicken, the food?
Yes, the food. And water, please.
Perfect. One chicken and one water. Anything else?
No, thank you. Oh, wait. Does the chicken have nuts?
No, it doesn't. No nuts.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. See, that was easy.
Very easy. And you noticed how polite we were? Always say please and thank you in a restaurant.
Yes, politeness is very important in English. It makes everyone happy.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the end. Let's do a super quick recap.
Today we learned how to ask for a table, how to order food politely, how to ask questions about the menu, how to handle mistakes, and how to ask for the check, not the chicken.
You're never going to forget that, James.
Never, but that's good. Mistakes help us remember. And it's okay to laugh at yourself.
Absolutely. Learning a language is a journey. Every mistake is a step forward.
So don't be afraid. Go to a restaurant, practice these phrases. You'll do great.
We believe in you. You're already improving.
Now we have a fun question for you, our listeners.
Yes, here's today's community question. What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Tell us in the comments. Do you like pizza, pasta, chicken, fish?
We want to know. And if you have a funny restaurant story like James, please share it.
Yes, we love hearing your stories. And remember, mistakes are normal. They're part of learning.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps us make more episodes for you.
See you next time on Real Talk English Now channel.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.